is that what the main team is to advocating for people to detect early and also to prevent. So basically, to detect means to go for a kidney function test or a renal test. That is what we are basically looking at for. That people should go for a test. Go for the kidney function test or the renal test, because when it is detected early, that is when it's easier to fight it. When it's not detected early, and then at the end of the day, it's gotten to the final stage, fighting kidney disease becomes something which I will say will need extra funds and extra efforts. But the earlier you detect it, the better for each and every one of us.
Then that means it is very key for us to really keep an eye on our kidneys. But today we are talking about kidneys and diet.
Yes.
Our foods, the
Yeah.
food we take.
Yeah.
How important is the kidney when it comes to functioning of the kidney, and how relevant is food? I mean, what role does the food we take play in ensuring that the kidney functions very well?
Okay, thank you. Okay, so when it comes to kidney, maybe probably someone that's listening to something in line with kidneys for the first time. So let me just try to identify or bring out what kidney is to the first listener. When we talk about the kidney is virtually like a bean, a red bean-like shape within the system, usually at the posterior end of the body, where we have the spinal cord at both sides of the spinal cord. So if you have ever dissected a mammal, anyone listening to me, if you have ever dissected a mammal, that is cut open a mammal, you realize that there are some two bean-like shape organs over there. They are the ones called the kidney. They have a lot of functions, but the two main functions of the kidney, this is what it does. It picks the blood which is within our system, and then it detoxifies the blood, takes away toxin from the blood. And not just that, it's also involved in the urinary system. So when it picks the blood and then the blood goes through the kidney, what it also does is that it sips out water from it and then sends it to the urinary system. Let me give you a little description of the kidney, so that to the layperson, I want to educate so that even the layperson will understand what we are talking about without using technical terms. Whenever you cut open a kidney, you realize that there are some certain nets or line within it. In the layman system, let's say the way a colander or sonier acts, that is what is found virtually within the kidney. So when blood passes through the kidney, it sips out all the items or all the toxins or all the things which are not needed for the body at that particular time. It sips them out and then channels them to the right places to be ejected from the body. So the urine, the water in our system, the excess water in our system is taken out through the what we call the glomerular filtrate in technical terms, or the, should I say,